Ever found yourself staring at your crypto portfolio, wishing you could seamlessly trade one asset for another without the hassle of multiple platforms? You're not alone. The world of decentralized finance, while brimming with opportunity, can sometimes feel a bit fragmented. That's why interoperability, the ability for different blockchains to communicate and transact with each other, is such a hot topic. And at the heart of this movement are tools designed to bridge those gaps. So, the burning question, can you swap on Bifrost Wallet? To answer that directly, let's first understand what Bifrost Wallet is all about. It's not just another crypto wallet. Bifrost Wallet positions itself as a multi-chain powerhouse designed to connect you to various blockchain ecosystems. Think of it as a central hub where you can manage assets across networks like Polkadot, Kusama, Ethereum, and more. This inherent multi-chain capability hints at the potential for cross-chain functionality. Now, when we talk about swapping, we're generally referring to the ability to exchange one cryptocurrency for another. This can happen within the same blockchain, like swapping ETH for a DeFi token on Ethereum, or, more excitingly, across different blockchains. Bifrost Wallet, with its focus on interoperability, does indeed offer swapping capabilities. However, it's crucial to understand how these swaps are facilitated. Bifrost leverages the underlying cross-chain communication protocols of the networks it supports. For instance, within the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems, Bifrost often utilizes their native cross-consensus messaging (XCM) format. This allows for secure and trustless transfers and swaps of assets between parachains, the individual blockchains connected to the main relay chain. This means you can potentially swap assets native to different parachains directly within the Bifrost Wallet interface. Imagine seamlessly exchanging your DOT for a KSM-based token or vice versa, all within the same application. This eliminates the need to send assets to centralized exchanges or use separate bridging solutions, streamlining the entire process and often reducing fees and complexity. Furthermore, Bifrost Wallet may also integrate with decentralized exchanges, DEXs, that operate on the networks it supports. This would allow you to tap into the liquidity pools available on those DEXs and perform swaps of various tokens. The specific DEXs accessible through Bifrost will depend on the blockchains it currently supports and its level of integration. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information on the specific swapping functionalities available within Bifrost Wallet, the best course of action is always to consult their official documentation or website. They will have detailed guides and tutorials on how to execute swaps, which assets are supported for direct cross-chain swaps, and which DEX integrations are currently available. You'll likely find step-by-step instructions and potentially even video guides to walk you through the process. Keep in mind that the landscape of DeFi is constantly evolving. New features and integrations are frequently added to wallets like Bifrost to enhance user experience and expand their capabilities. Therefore, staying informed through official channels is key to unlocking the full potential of such tools. So, while the answer is a resounding yes, you can indeed swap on Bifrost Wallet. The specifics of how and what you can swap will depend on the ongoing development and integrations within the Bifrost ecosystem and the underlying blockchains it supports. Explore the wallet, delve into its documentation, and experience the power of cross-chain asset exchange firsthand. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.